What's up, dudes? A little change of pace. Been in the garage and shit for so long. We're back to Kiwi. Not because my car's getting worked on, because that apparently doesn't happen.
Oh, I still recognize
Jamie's car's getting worked on.
I was just gonna say, it doesn't look
shit.
Like... Raining yet? It's supposed to be raining already.
Let's fix your car yet? Hey, this car's that's kind of cool.
This kid just came, and
what's that?
This kid just he dropped his car the other day, and he picked it up this morning, and he made it down the road, and forgot to mention the hood doesn't close properly.
Oh fuck!
So he just lost.
Yeah. So did you.
Yeah. He lost his windshield and sun. The fittings itself goes in the top. I mean, it wasn't. Ended up being most likely it wasn't flared enough, but now that once we like double flared it, then it was still leaking.
Okay.
Jay managed to tighten it up, and then I found I had a power steering leak.
Oh yeah.
So
power steering for sissies.
There was a broken hose clamp that I was like, oh, this is probably just loose, and I was tightening it, and it was like ripped through like 3 teeth or like 3 gaps in it. So I switched that out, and we're just gonna top it off and make sure that that's good. So hopefully just quickly bleed the brakes, that's done. Maybe just brace the hydro brake itself a bit and then just top up the power steering for now.
Cool.
So that should be it for now. I mean, I still have to fix my lights, but as long as the car is running and properly mechanical.
Okay.
Because most likely it's the switch. It's just the switch.
Let's grab the drone.
Most likely, and everyone thinks it's just the switch too. So if it's just the switch, that's not a big issue. It's wiring.
For lights.
Yeah, because since they've already been modified in the switch so I could like adjust it at different levels, now most likely one of the solders broke. So we're just gonna, hopefully, even if I just change the switch, I don't care, I just want the lights to work properly. I need my pop-ups.
I didn't even see that you had it. I haven't even seen it with that.
I know.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
I just shortened it a bit because it was really tall before. I took like an extra 4.
I see it. I see it.
But yeah. And then,
that's what he was talking about leaking, was the hydro thing. So
I need some better pads, but it's gonna be, at least it's gonna be all set up and working.
It's just hooked up to your other caliper? Like your, okay.
It's in line with my rear caliper, but we kept it so my pedal is still all the brakes.
Okay.
And the hydro is just in line with the rear.
That's the way my 11 was with the hydro.
Yeah, yeah. That's the one, it's so hard to fly that one. You're doing better.
You won't have to take your legs next to me.
So fast.
You guys flip with the fucking throttle. It's like, whoa, right behind you.
Yeah. And that one has no camera on it, eh?
Face. Yeah, it does.
It does?
I think it has a camera there.
I'm sure.
Right in the front.
Yeah. Okay, he's using the goggles. You need the goggles for that one more than anything. That's what I mean. As soon as you give it gas, it's like, ring.
Aliens. Uh-oh. It's gone now. Where'd it go, bro?
I need my goggles.
It's raining.
All season jet fighter thing.
I gotta learn to drive the other one.
Yeah, the other one. Yo, imagine the other one
crazy, man.
down the street like a
Yeah, you gotta go to the track and chase around cars with it. Roomy. This is why I have no drift car. You can controlling the camera too? Oh yeah. Whoa. That's cool.
Yeah, I mean that would make some really cool videos. That's
Yeah. It went straight backwards.
This guy, little alien antennas.
Right, you take off with your fucking glasses off and then put them on after. We'll lose the pose.
Let's see what happens. Oh, look, my car.
You almost did a bird for a good.
Oh, yeah.
See me? I can see you.
Look, I wanna go fuck with Dave.
Is that a beams in there? Yeah. What's the beams? Good save. Good save. Taking you for a ride.
Fuck it. The wind's way too fucking strong, man. Bro, it was like...
Now the rain and the wind is getting more.
Yeah.
Toys.
Huh?
Toys.
Yeah, man.
You're smaller. You want to climb up there?
Non, non, je peux pas rendre, là, si.
There's a ladder.
You can just kind of throw her. Can you see this? Oh, look at. That's where it is. Yeah. Remember when you had your car taken for inspection last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just put a hydraulic handbrake in there. That'll solve all the problems. Yeah, bro. So now you're doing what? Bleeding it?
Yeah, the brakes. Yeah. Oh, lock steering wheel.
Oh, you got keys?
Oh, I do.
Right on.
There's no way I have that. You can't start the car or anything though. That's a problem. Couldn't get a blade brakes. The cap's on.
What cap?
Master. Yeah.
Cool. Cool.
I mean,
I should put one on the RX-7.
yeah.
Maybe keep it. All my friends are convincing me to keep it.
As a street car or a drift car?
Yeah,
Both?
street car.
Both?
So I got that for a drift car.
Supposed to be.
Yeah. Look, my two.
Yo!
Ah.
This is...
Oh, look at those rockers. Nummy.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
Caps off the power steering, but
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Oh.
So loud enough. Where's the power? I get it. They're like fucking cop magnets to pull you over and put you safely to the section.
Love hearing him on my We fixed a whole bunch of exhaust leaks in these. Like, the exhaust is not great, but
Is that today?
no, the last time there was like, because it was when I made the hangers, it was so low
It smells like fiberglass.
that I was banging on the ground, and then the middle hanger, it ripped the exhaust there, and then there was another leak in the front.
Okay.
So we like tucked it up, we cut the muffler off, straightened it, added like 4 inches, and fixed all the buzzing.
I can see it opening. I can see it opening.
What?
No, but I can see it the second you like it's not opening water.
guy thinks he's going, but he ain't getting out of here yet. You gonna drive through that truck? Or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sweet, so it might work in the rain.
Yeah, I mean I need new pads for my hydro brakes, but...
Bye!
He's planning to send some sick burnouts on Saturday. But fuck, I gotta get tires mounted.
Where on Saturday?
Or Milwaukee.
They have burnout there?
Well, no, we're just go to the drag strip for fun and just kill some tires.
Don't back into my car.
I mean, I'm kind of down to try third. I've never done a third gear burnout.
Try it after the weekend.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do second and fuck that.
But yo, I would have done third.
Never mind that, I was waiting for him to go straight into the fucking my car.
It's the first time
He'll hit my wrist currently.
Well, no, not like that. But
Here, dude.
But yeah, like, you just gotta bounce it off the limiter. If you're too low in the rev range, it won't spin. It'll just fall.
so higher
Did
than
that
lower.
4K 60
Yeah,
for
high,
the second,
yeah.
third gear.
Let's see what third gear does.
Clean, clean, clean.
It's probably easier to go second to third than drop it in third. Nah, just drop it in third. It'll be
I'm gonna try it. Try it.
Try it. I broke an axle once today when I too high and dropped it. I've got axles here.
Thought it wasn't gonna hold for a second.
Let's see how many gears we can go through. That's how it's done at Kiwi.
And as soon as he let off the brakes, you heard it just fucking jump up. We need to put the front brakes on the pedal and the back brakes on the wheel.
Yeah,
That's the best.
it's like mine, right?
83!
That's gonna be a weapon. Yeah, I can't wait.
It's gonna make you want to make a wee wee.
Good boy. So we'll keep this one short and sweet. Stuff going on. Guys are working on stuff. 2Js, RVs, you name it. That's how it happens here. Burnouts outside. It's always a good time. That's it for now, guys. Peace out.